Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling something super practical. How to get a new military ID card in 2025. Whether you're active duty, a veteran, or a dependent, having a valid ID is crucial for access to benefits, bases, and services. Stick around, and I'll break it down step by step so you can handle this smoothly and efficiently. First off, start by checking your eligibility. In 2025, the Defense Enrollment Eligibility Reporting System, DEERS, has updated criteria, so head to the official DEERS website or app to confirm if you qualify. This includes active personnel, reservists, retirees, and dependents. Make sure you're up to date on any changes. Next, gather your required documents. You'll typically need your social security number, a valid photo ID like a driver's license or passport, proof of military affiliation, and your old ID card if you have one. Double-check the DEERS site for any 2025 specific requirements, like additional verification for security reasons. Once you're prepared, schedule an appointment. Many locations now offer online booking through the DEERS portal, which saves time and reduces wait times. If online isn't available, call your nearest military ID facility. On the day of your appointment, arrive early at the ID card office. Bring all your documents, and expect a quick process that includes identity verification, a new photo, and possibly a biometric scan, new for 2025 to enhance security. After everything checks out, you'll fill out a simple form, and your new ID card will be issued on the spot or mailed if it's a special type. The whole thing usually takes 15 to 30 minutes, but plan for a bit longer just in case. A few tips for 2025. Look out for digital options, like mobile apps for verification, and always verify your info to avoid delays. If you're a dependent, you might need a sponsor's signature, so coordinate ahead. And there you have it. That's how you get your new military ID card in 2025. It's straightforward once you know the steps. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more guides like this. Drop any questions in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.